First, the news headlines. Chief Minister N. Biren lays foundation stone for developing natural grass football ground at Lamlai. Suspected KRAU cadres beat 2 Kuki men to death, another critically hurt. Lainingthau Sanamahi Temple Board releases 4th edition of Lainingthau Sanamahi Mapao. And leaders who can deal with any political crisis need to be elected, asserts political activist Maheshwar Thaunauzam. Hello viewers, welcome to Northeast Window English News. I am CELINA 𝐂𝐲𝐸 giving you the latest news updates at this hour. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister N. Biren today laid foundation stone for development at natural grass football playground at Lamlai in Imphal East District. The natural grass football ground is to be developed at an estimated cost of 8 crore 53 lakh rupees. The football playground is to be developed along with RCC gallery with capacity of 1,500 people. The government plans to complete the world-class playground within a year's time. The foundation laying ceremony of the playground held under the aegis of Department of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of Manipur, was also attended by Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Govindas Konthousam, Power Minister Thongam Biswajit, Mahut Minister 𝐍𝐄𝐰𝐬, Water Resources Minister Awangbao Nimai, Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan, PHED Minister L. Sucildro, Education Minister Thaunauzam Basanta Kumar, Minister Social Welfare Minister Haikam Dingo, Transport Minister Kashim Vashum, Rajya Sabha MP King Sana Jauba Laisemba, Lamlai MLA 𝐂𝐲𝐸𝐬 𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵, YAS Director T. Fulan Maitai, among others. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister N. Biren said, in the wake of the state crisis, it has become clear that who are the ones who want to protect the state and who are the ones who want to disintegrate the state. He further urged those concerned to interrupt movement along Imphal-Ukhrul route in the name of donation. Stating that the war should not be fought by collecting donation, he appealed to all people of all community to understand who the enemies are and who the friends are and work collectively to protect the motherland.
Solidarity rally all tribal student union Manipur Haibasina, Haikomata, I couldn't think Mulambra. Manipur Prazama said demand the release of the democracy. Is some the Kalubani release at Benihan. Release the rally Madamagi Yaning Manata Yaning the Pongo Pulwinigayo. Nashisu Nasisu Sanadi Ruina. Manum do them aduk Tina. I quit the Wansalaga. Sarkar the Wansalaga to Atamana Maitizati, the Wansalaga, I take to Rukanis the Kanasu Kalude. Really the Pumapan in the food of Hogan. More Sorsan Puda, Subsana Pumparaga, Makai, Tavamatamba, Forest Office may have a Horpun, Driver Fuba Horpuni, you may take the Horpun. Atai Dagata, which in the house in Gilum, and the Today. Atai Nagagi, CELINA, indigenous people in the Tapatam, of the Ukurda of the Senapati of the Amzong of the Kant of the Sigi was a quick come to Yaro. Land Kamai Loigani. I couldn't take to Sunate. Moina take to Rupun, I couldn't not open. Was it how the Bharat Sarkar, Manipur Sarkar is a land at 2 years. Mam the Manipur Praza, Kandavaya the Bagi. Bharti Praza, Kandavaya the Bagi. Tauribu Lanjik and Ananos are coming over time. Kali Taurinos is coming over time. Manipur Yapun Basatam Kairi Aroy has a Kanana high. Manipuris in high. Indigenous peoples in high. Tugaina Gihona Ponakanano. Mother quick coming over time. Tugaina honor Zinduki Makuta land palm de surrender to Godra. Togudra, I did already. I surrendered to Naiba Kaiway, Laiba Kaiba Yaroi, Aduga, my whole on the Gilamina, Chilna, Puna Libina, the Psiaroi, Moi Mayamu, and the Psiaro. How will not come at them do that? I quite the Karisu Shams how day. Really, Masalaga, the minor where they take the Rokanese, Mang Neva, Halu de Eva. Mother suddenly told Panina Maduki, Nan and one of them moved over the Guinness in Hamayama, Isazing Mayama, Police one about from the Game Toro, from the Game Toro, my Kay Marie Mangata Toro Panina, Maduki, Police lady, who could not moved over the game. Something like the Bisai now, I say, walk off fire and Mama, and none of Mama, and none of Jati, and none of Hoxer of Criminal Matamduda. But under the Moino, if I can talk of them, I can say it proudly. Utup Pirate Hooking Latani. Can I do Iran? I say, Kamai can get a herga. Land about the money arroy. Masi high hydrogen. Mother Toloki Pagamura and another was so happy. Other Moiki, the Mata Toloki, but I Toloki, I have to get same worry to the Maduki don't play, sing the one late for the Moiki don't play. Upay Litabagi, Salisa, I am in my bin, I am make up me out call, my am Kanan of Tolokiva, Adu Matanka Kamino. I'm a Kanga. I can see a queen of Nike. CELINA auction by Antanga Nizage. Sigi Ukruta Panambi said, Yamaru. Songi Mamanga Tari was 60 Tankul. Tankul never zati said, I quite Mangang Zati ni. I quite Mangangi, Yexalai, CELINA only. I have about the Hirakot Hola Bagambudi. Munadabioko, Club Sing, Marapai Sing, Munadabioko. I quite the my whole on the gear, my take a Tana, Sangatana, Mangang, Hirakra, I salute about the Mazatis. Moigizati, a Koya do Mazati, the Musa talks us into Washida. This is the Rusikarigano. Gari Kamabumba, Gari Lapagumba, Pashak Haibumba, Sita Rusikarigano. I quite visit Maruti, the Matamate. Yet never machine yam and Matamate. Yet never the Canano, Morup the Canano, you must come and set the Matamate.
Suspected Cookie Revolutionary Army United KRAU cadres reportedly beat 2 persons to death while another was critically injured in the assault. According to a source, the fateful incident took place at Modbung Bazaar around 6 last evening. The deceased persons have been identified as Jan Lunglang of Sapar Maina and Jang Min Len of Khaleb village. The dead bodies of the duo has been reportedly deposited to Let Pao Hospital located at Modbung, while the injured has been identified as Pao Min Thang, age 37, son of Dankai of Thingbanjang village. He has been taken to a hospital at Dimapur. They were mercilessly beaten up black and blue for consuming alcohol by the suspected cadres of KRAU, the source said. Police have taken up strict security measures in the area to prevent any untoward incident in the wake of the brutal incident. Lainingthau Sanamahi Temple Board LSTB released its monthly report titled Lamta Thagi Mapau for the month of Lamta in Manipur lunar calendar today. Speaking on the occasion, Secretary of Manipur Hawker Association Lai Khura Surjit has appealed to LSTB to continue releasing the message of Lainingthau Sanamahi as the demand for the edition is also rising among the people. Loading the hawkers for their dedicated services in reaching the monthly message to every doorstep, Surjit also encouraged LSTB to continue spreading the Lainingthau's message. The release event was also attended by LSTB Vice President Vidyapati Sanjam, Member Secretary Maisnam Sivadutta Luang, and Member of Manipur Hawker Association. Political activist Maheshwar Thaunawsam has expressed that leaders who can deal with any political crisis needs to be elected. He was speaking at a public meeting held in connection with his unity campaign, attended by a large number of people of Top Khongnangkhong, Pudongbam, Nongren and Phaknung. Maheshwar further said the well-armed Indian Army stationed on India-Pakistan border do not fight every day, but many well-trained and armed army personnel are deployed to retaliate immediately to any sudden aggression from the Pakistan side. As such, the political leaders in the state too need to be knowledgeable and intellectually well-equipped to face and fight any political war, he said. Furthermore, Maheshwar maintained that people should never let themselves to be bribed by some meager case or a bag of charcoal in time of elections and must carefully elect the right leader.
India and Pakistan border LOC line of control sida wang chauraba army mayama AK-47 paraga lady base numtigi land sokna brand daibirone sona deko adubu anytime Pakistan land torpa matam daklong thengnaraga thengadoi natra thengadoi niko dumaina koi political leaders mayam loin ahiba thamba mathau taiwa karigino anytime political war la matam daklong thengnana ba ma kedo wayawi mama waisu pukchel chaurira natraga keramta haije waru wiro haigrabnina kedo wayawi ma gi damta chenbirani kedo bagino akoi maira Maitan Bora am Tadarami. Maitan Bora am Tadaram Madunam Lam Gandori Potugi reason, Maram Dodun Ohen Bakai, Maram Sabran and Dabirone. Mama and Maitan Bora Tadari Nupaduna Constitution Kamba Ekamba Lokam Fazana fight to Bong the Ba, the Ijati, the Ipuki, the Manipuri, the fight to Bong the Boy Taragadi, Maitan Bora, the Losan Biro, Adumagi, the Wato Bioba, Aduga, Piriva Miduna, like so Haitaba came to come the Boyragadi, I fight to Bong the Boyragadi, Sien Krapayana, Mama Hoy Tamai Balapa, the Mama Hoyna, Tamai Gragadi, Mama was like back to Gabi, was in Harabada.
Indian Red Cross Society IRCS 𝐍𝐞𝐰𝐬 district branch conducted a cleanliness drive in the surrounding areas of its temporary office at JMB school located at 𝐍𝐞𝐰𝐬 Babupura today. IRCS 𝐍𝐞𝐰𝐬 branch conducted the cleanliness drive to open its office at JMB school after GO Thaudam Amurashi Chanu permitted them to open the office at the school complex. Speaking on the occasion, President of IRCS 𝐍𝐞𝐰𝐬, Huiram Rajan Kumar expressed gratitude for the 𝐍𝐸O for providing the temporary office space. He said, members of Indian Red Cross Society IRCS Manipur state, including the chairman and the secretary, will pay a visit to the district this month and that arrangements are being met to officially open the office during their visit.
Ngasi se Indian Red Cross Society district branch ti am nuai ba koina branch si office amatan temporary office amatan tijara ko si matam sangna angtan leirambadu PGC sahib ta hana haijaba matam da su mana su room je asang balai tabadagi hangdana leirapani adubu laibak phabadagi andaki nongna JDO 𝐍𝐸𝐰𝐬 koi madam Anurasina ana matam sangna sina dan leirambaba JMO pragi school gi sangle sida temporary oina matam kharagi office ji hang kudong cha pi rum meramu ani letna branch ma ge thar
Let us take a quick break.
Welcome you all to Unata School Channel in Fal East, a fully residential school ranked Manipur #1 in All India School Ranking Awards 2023-24 by Education World in Co-Education Boarding School category. Academic session for 2024-25 will begin on 1st April 2024. Registrations are open for classes 4 to 9. Hurry up for registration.
Diabetes ko noon na hingibasing tamagi manungda control to bangamle. Urea creatinine wangbasu tamagi manungda hantada ngamle. Kung hamanungay tebasu numit mga nigi manungda fahan bangamle. Pile sabadi nungsam nabasu chama de chama fahan bangamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oy bangamle. BP wangbasu tamagi manungda normal oy bangamle. Fatty liver oibasu tamagi manungda fagat han bangamle. Pumnamak natural oiba hidak makalna layong jabani. Hagchang na sokadaba side effect amatalayte. Makata na hidak chamagi matausu tararoy. Hena kumaparogi damak nasimak langsin birao Diabetes Hospital Sorbam Laikai Ayangpali Road opposite Karkinas Jennings Hospital Porompat in Far East near Punjab National Bank.
Welcome back. Search operations and area domination were conducted by security forces in the fringe and vulnerable areas of hills and valley districts on Saturday in Manipur, a report from Manipur Police Control said. During the search operations, security forces recovered one 5.56 mm US Met M16 assault rifle, one 5.56 mm M16 assault rifle magazine, one 12-inch single-bore barrel gun, one number 36 HE hand grenade without detonator, 33 single-bore live cartridges, 5 fired single-bore cartridges cases, 6 5.56 mm live rounds, 1 combat pouch, 1 sling bag, 1 ammunition vest belt from Kangpokpi district. In another search operations conducted at Churachandpur on the same day, 1 11 single-barrel gun, 1 9 mm pistol with magazine, 3 improvised heavy mortar pumpy guns, 4 improvised heavy mortar pumpy bombs, and 17 rounds of 7.62 mm ammunition sniper were also recovered, the report said. On the other hand, movement of 155 and 236 vehicles along National Highway 2 and National Highway 37 respectively with essential items were ensured. Strict security measures were taken up in all vulnerable locations and security convoy was provided along sensitive stretches in order to ensure free and safe movement of the vehicles. A total of 138 checkpoints was installed in different districts of Manipur, both in the hills and the valley, and police detained 300 persons in connections with violations in different districts of the state, the report added. National Lok Adalat was held at District and Sessions Court Complex, Thoubal, organized by DLSA Thoubal yesterday. 2 benches were constituted for the National Lok Adalat. Bench number 1 was chaired by Samom Ibjan, District and Sessions Judge cum Chairman DLSA Thoubal with Advocate Muhammad Liquid Ali and KH Premila Devi as members, while bench number 2 was presided by Masana E. Panmai, Chief Judicial Magistrate with Advocate S. Bonita and N. Romeo as members. Out of 80 cases which were taken up yesterday, 73 bank recovery cases were successfully resolved during the Lok Adalat with a total settlement amount of 54,80,266 rupees. Deputy Commissioner Senapati Mamoni Doli flagged off Nari Shakti Fitness Run yesterday from Astro Turf Ground, Senapati. The program was a continuation of International Women's Day to reiterate the role of healthy and fit women in the development of nation. It was organized by the Office of the Nehru Yuva Kendra, Senapati, for all the blocks of Senapati, Lairokching, Tadubi, Songsong, Wilong, Paumata, Phaibung, and Purel. Addressing the gathering, the DC said, she herself was an avid runner since before her entry to the service. She also said that running helped in keeping oneself fit and remove stress. She appealed the participants to keep on running or work out to keep oneself fit and healthy. She extended her best wishes to the participants. A total of about 60 women from all subdivisional block participated in the run. The program was participated by Anganwadi supervisors and workers, CSO leaders and students. Residents of nearby Harizan colony were rocked by a blast at City Bus Syndicate in Maulonghat. The blast was occurred inside a small abandoned teen structure around 10:30 p.m. last night. Top brass of Shillong Police and bomb squad reached the spot and cordoned off the area. Preliminary investigation suggested the blast to be caused by IED, while damage was confined to only the teen structure and a few window prints nearby. Superintendent of Police of East Khasi Hills, Rituraj Ravi, said. Secretary of Harijan Panchayat Committee, HPC Gurjit Singh, said that one of the residents identified as Lakhan Singh was injured in the incident. When asked, the HPC secretary said, the situation has remained tense in the colony, especially after the decision to relocate the residents was taken. Asked if the residents would seek more security following the suspected IED blast, Singh said it is up to the government to decide. On the other hand, Lakhan Singh, who had returned home after receiving medical attention following the blast, said he was running a quick errand to dispose of garbage when the blast caught him off guard.
वहाँ भी एक पैर रखा ही है, अंदर एक बाहर है। साइड से इतना जोर का ब्लास्ट हुआ है, वहाँ टीना वीना सब उखड़ के घर पूरा उखड़ गया है। वो आके पैर पे लग गया है, पैर भी मेरा कट गया पूरा। वो एक लड़का है, उसको बचाते बचाते ऐसे हो गया। ये ब्लास्ट तो इतना तगड़ा था कि साइड वाले घर वर हिल गए पूरे।
India has signed the Trade and Economic Partnership Agreement (TEPA) with the European Free Trade Association (EFTA) in New Delhi today. The deal was signed in the presence of Minister of Commerce and Industry 𝐻𝐈 Goyal. Addressing the gathering, Minister Goyal said that under this agreement, EFTA nations will invest $100 billion in India, creating many employment opportunities in different sectors. He added, this TEPA brings optimism as it reflects a trusted and efficient partnership with accountability. He thanked the partner countries for being part of this agreement. These countries include Iceland, Liechtenstein, Norway and Switzerland. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister N. Biren lays foundation stone for developing natural grass football ground at Lamlai. Suspected KRAU cadres beat 2 Kuki men to death, another critically hurt. Lainingthau Sanamahi Temple Board releases 4th edition of Lainingthau Sanamahi Mapao. And leaders who can deal with any political crisis needs to be elected, asserts political activist Maheshwar Thonauzam. And that is all we have for now, but for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window.
Kaina Thoram, Purvasramda, Ekhoi Khwai Pumnamakpu, Naukon Biramba, Sri Sasil Kumar Ningombamna, Mahaki Nungsi Jaraba, Imung Manung, Sagainate, Amadi, Marumapang Khwai Pumnamakpu, Thadok Lamlaga, Haukiba Tang Taruk, Lisanani Kunmari, Faringi Kunmangani Kuntaruni Panba, Yumsake Sinamita, Vrindavan Prapti Oikre, Lagliba Tang Taramathoi, Lisanani Kunmari, Ningthakaba Nimita, Asti Sanjay Lokacharaga, Lagliba Tang Taramapan, Lebako Panumita, Chira Usab Din Thokle, Numit Asida, Laikidrabi Atmana, in the China Laser Navagitamata, Gamzabahira Kharadam, Hari Sankritan Galonina, Sri Hari Chanda, Kacharadori, Palaksha Asida, Brahman Wisdom, Ahilaman Amadi, Marumapang Khwai Pumnamagna, Matam Chanaling Biraktuna, Harinam Sravanto Viranava, Patrana Limantran Kachari, Vinigan, Ningombam Subadani Devi, Mama, Ningombam Ombi, Mayakon Jingbam, Sadarmini, Ningombam Razendro Singh, Makura, Ningombam Ningo, Sofia, Sanatombi, Machanipi, Uinam Suranjoy, Masenupa, Ningombam Ombi, Priya Devi, Manau Nupi, Marcus Ningombam, Machanupa, Thaing Sana Avi Ningombam, Machanupi, Humlengamba Abo Ningombam, Machanupa, Mafam, Okran Chute, Kitnapanu.